Hello. Breast cancer, once diagnosed, there are many beautiful options for daily life to help support conventional treatment while taking a holistic approach in your cancer care. Symptom treatment method or conventional treatment is an option, but it isn't proven to be as successful as an integrative approach, also focusing on staying mindful to what brings you happiness, encouraging peace of mind, paying attention to what we put in and on our bodies, and how feeling supported looks to you. Looking at your care model as a whole body instead of just your tumor. To start off, it's not just what we eat, but how we eat, making sure we're mindful, happy, and enjoying ourselves, which might look like eating with loved ones, outside, or a big bowl of colorful vegetables. Remember that very large part of treatment success is state of mind. That being said, some dietary considerations for breast cancer might look like reducing dietary estrogen consumption, our soy-based products, and eating more food that help draw excess estrogen out, such as vegetables in the brassica family. 7 servings of fruit and vegetables daily, 2 servings of fruit and 5 servings of vegetables, and dietary fiber. Research has shown dietary fiber to reduce circulating estrogen with a daily intake of 30 to 45 grams. Increasing your intake of omega-3 essential fatty acids in the form of olive oil, avocado, and coconut oil, and reducing the consumption of carbohydrates, just to name a few. So, a good example of a great meal is 1 cup of cooked lentils, which is 15 grams of dietary fiber, 1 cup of blackberries, which is 8.5 grams, 1 cup of cooked broccoli at 5 grams, and half an avocado at 6.5 grams. There's 35 grams of fiber in one meal, with some brassica family vegetables and our omega-3s. Mix them all together with some olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and maybe 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, and you have a delicious salad. Of course, removing high-calorie, low-nutrient foods, such as junk foods, candies, and soft drinks. And while we are removing the bad, looking over the environment you live in. Not only reduce stress, but also our exposure to endocrine-disrupting toxins in our bath and beauty products, as well as our cleaning supplies for around the house. A great website is by the Environmental Working Group, www.ewg.org/skindeep, where you can type in product names and they can give you a lowdown on how toxic they are. Herbal medicine is a wonderful complementary practice for whole body treatment. For example, if we were to ignite the immune system and offer the body some support, it might look like immune stimulating herbs, anti-tumor, antioxidant, adaptogens to deal with stress, and nervines to work alongside those adaptogens. One of my favorite herbs is garlic. There are compounds in garlic that can delay cancer production, as well as the antioxidant selenium to fight off free radicals. Anti-cancer activity of garlic is due to high amounts of organic sulfides and polysulfides that stimulate the lymphocytes that kill cancerous cells and interferes with tumor cell metabolism. Garlic also supports the immune system, helps the removal of carcinogens, and enhances detox. The great thing about garlic is it can be used in culinary forms multiple times a day. Echinacea, used as an immune stimulant, can also be used to lessen the harmful effect of radiotherapy and chemotherapy if conventional treatment is utilized. A tincture of echinacea can be administered at 5 ml 3 times a day, but use cautiously with autoimmune conditions. Ashwagandha, nervine, adaptogen, and anti-inflammatory, which are 3 key players in healing. So ashwagandha is a root that can be made into a powder to add to soups and warm beverages and smoothies if you'd like. There are some studies that explore the benefits of using ashwagandha in treating breast cancer, as well as using it as a supporting herb for transitions in life, as well as a complementary immune modulator. Skullcap, a sedative nervine, can offer nervous system support in cases of sensory overload, for example, agitation and lack of sleep, some symptoms that might be accompanying diagnosis or treatment. So a good tincture to take at 5 ml 3 times a day, echinacea 20 ml, ashwagandha 20, and skullcap 10. A lemon balm tea could be used. It's very aromatic and can help with acute digestive upset and can be used with nervousness affecting the heart and digestion. A nice mug of lemon balm tea could be drank a few times a day to offer support. A beautiful herbal bath with rose petals and coconut oil could also be done. What is more beautiful than rose petals? So some self-care time to wind down, relax, and allow your body the time it needs to heal. Breast cancer is said to be the most common cancer of adult females in the world and second most common cause of cancer deaths. 1 in 12 women will develop breast cancer in Western countries. Giving yourself breast exams can help in faster diagnosis and treatment.